Jimmy from Cuff and Stuff. Man, have we got another good one for you. It's unreal. We're gonna do stuffed chicken breasts on a charcoal grill. Hey, we're gonna do it on the Weber kettle. You do it on anything you got. If you've got, hey, a propane grill, do it on it. It'll work perfect. If you don't have a grill, run to Walmart, 25 bucks and a bag of charcoal. You can do this. I'm gonna show you how to set up a 2-zone fire and do this stuffed chicken breast. It's inexpensive to do, and oh, it turns out so good. So, hang tight. Okay, here's what we've got. We've got 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, okay? And I'm gonna take these and I'm gonna slit, not really butterfly them. I'm just gonna make a pocket. I don't wanna cut through either side all the way through. I'm just gonna open this up and make a pocket right here. All right, there's one. And again, I don't want to cut all the way through, and I don't want to cut all the way to the end. I'm just making a pocket. You can see I'm just opening this up, just like that. Go a little bit further on this one in that direction. There we go. There's that one. And the smaller of the 2. Let's open him up. All right, now, inside this, I'm gonna put some sun-dried tomatoes. Now, these usually come packed in oil, and I've dried them down fairly decent. So let's get those in all 3 of these. Like that. Open him up. That one's going to be opened up a little bit. We'll make that do. Let's put these in here like this. All right. Next, I've got pesto. I'm going to take a little bit of pesto and I'm going to spread him from one end of this to the other. And there was enough, just enough in that jar to do all 3 of these. We like pesto. All right. Also in this, I've got cheddar cheese that I'm going to put in. Now, you can use provolone, whatever your favorite is, go for it. You don't want too much, and it's probably going to ooze out just a little bit. Now, on the inside, this is Uncle Steve's Lucky Shake. I'm gonna add Lucky Shake to this, and just for a little flavor on the inside, I'm gonna take, there we go. Now, I have some skewers I've cut off that I'm going to hold these together like this. I've soaked those skewers in water. This is going to the grill, so I'm going to put these through to hold the pocket together that I've made. And the last one. Poke everything back together here, and I've got enough. I can do 3 on each one. That's not going to hurt a thing. All right, we've got these 3 done like this. All right, so next, let's take some more Lucky Shake and cover over the outside of this. Now also with the Lucky Shake, I'm gonna go back. This is original Uncle Steve's shake. An oldie but still a goodie. And I'm gonna add this original, not just for flavor, but also for a little color. It'll make it pretty on the grill. Let's turn these over and go back with the Lucky Shake. And the original Uncle Steve's. That's gonna be pretty. All right. All right, we get the grill ready to go, and then we're gonna start our cook. Okay, well, we've got our grill up. We're at 375. Now I've got a hot zone back here toward the rear and a cooler zone up here. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start over here in the cool zone. And I'm gonna put these right here. There we go. All right. Let's pull the lid back. Now, I've got these maybe 1/4 of an inch open on the top and about the same on the bottom. All right, we're running right now. It's at 300. It's gonna get on up to about 350, and we're gonna let that cook for about 15-20 minutes, and then we're gonna come back and check on it. Now, probably during that time, I'm gonna put a probe in that meat so I can keep up with the temperature, but when we check on it, I'll bring you back. All right, well, we've been about 25 minutes. I've got a meter in the big one, and I'm gonna pull it out. We're saying we're about 135-ish right here. So I'm gonna take and put these right over the heat. Over the hot part. We're gonna close it up. I'm gonna let that go about 2 minutes, and then I'm gonna flip it, and until I get the color I want a little bit of char, I'm gonna flip it every 2 minutes, and I'm gonna keep a check, and the next time you see me, we'll be in the middle of that process. All right, we've already flipped these once. Let's take a look and see how we're doing. Yeah. All right. Let's check the temp on these and see where we're going here. That's about 151. That's 165. 165. The two smaller ones are about done. I want to get a little bit more char on the top side here. So I'm gonna let them go another couple of minutes and it's gonna be time to take them off. All right, well, here we go. They're done, they're temped out. Oh my goodness, these things are good. So, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna cut into this thing. Look at there. Does that look delicious or what? There you go. How about that? Hey, it's time for me to go in. Oh my goodness. Delicious. Ha! That's so good. Well, all I can tell you is you're gonna have to try it. It was so easy. Listen, you can go get a $25 charcoal grill at Walmart and you can do the exact same thing. This doesn't take anything special. This is just done with a 2-zone hot and cool zone on a grill. You can set that up on anything. The pesto, the sun-dried tomatoes, complemented by the Uncle Steve shake. Oh my goodness, it's so good. We'll eat this again at my house, I promise you that. Hey, thanks for sticking around and seeing how it turned out. If you haven't already, how about hit the button over here and subscribe. Oh, hit that like button. I'll have another video just for you down here. So until next time, hey, hang tight and be good to one another.